The auto feed spool consists of a new plastic spool preloaded with the correct size and amount of trimmer line for your trimmer. It takes the headache out of trying to wind and replace the trimmer line when your trimmer runs out. Installing the auto feed spool is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how.
Hi, I'm Mark Socha.
Do-it-yourself repairs like these are easier than you might think. From lawn machines to cordless drills, kitchen mixers,
Outdoor grills.
our how-to videos walk you through each repair from start to finish. So doing it yourself means never having to do it alone.
Let's get started.
I'll begin by removing the spool cap and the spool from the trimmer head. To remove the cap, I press the tabs on either side and pull it away from the housing. Now I can install the new spool. First, I'll remove the trimmer line from the holders in the spool. I'll unwind a few inches, remove the old spool from the trimmer head, thread the trimmer line on the new spool through the eyelet, and snap the spool into place. And I'll finish by snapping the cap back into place. And that's how easy it is to install a new auto feed spool in your trimmer. Be sure to check back often for new videos and expert advice. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up
And leave a comment.